I'm so excited. I got my Shein package. Thank you, Mr. Mailman. This is Brittney Giselle, and thank you for coming back to my channel. So today's video is a Shein Curve fall fashion part 2. If you haven't checked out my first video, please go ahead. I'm gonna link it above. I'll put it down in the description box as well. So ever since I ordered placed that last order, I've been adding more stuff to my cart. As you guys know, I love me some Shein, so I definitely went ahead and placed another order. There's a combination of stuff in here. Again, I don't remember what all I ordered. I've got my package right here. It came in last night. Got my scissors ready. I'm gonna open it up. I know I have clothing pieces. I have some accessories. Some organization kind of thing, stuff. I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna figure this out together. So, let me get my box going. Before I forget, if you haven't yet, please go make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. So every time I upload, you'll be the first to know. All right, since I got my announcements out the way. Oh, what is this? Free returns of 15% off all orders. Oh, it's a Shein style. They have, this is different. This is their Shein category. So on it is women, plus size men, kids, beauty, pets, accessories, and home. So, it's pretty cool though. I like it. I never got anything like this in my package before. It's a little crumbled up. And here's a 15% off code, FW15. And if you don't already know, which a lot of people do know, there's actually a 20% off code that is like always out there. It's called Pop Sugar. I'll make sure I put that down in the description box so you guys don't forget. It's 20% off your purchase. So, I mean, 15 is here, but obviously 20 is better. What's something else I wanted to say? I have some exciting videos coming up soon. I have something about like how to save money on Shein. So if y'all make sure you like this video, comment down below and let me know if you want to hear that. What else? I think that's it. I don't know. But so far I got a shirt here. Let me just open it. And then, so what I'm gonna do is I'll do the haul and then I'll try the pieces on for you guys to see how they look. So I'll probably just put it on the side. It's a nice crop blouse. It looks so good on the models and like the reviews that I read. It looks so good on the people that bought it and tried it on. It's a long sleeve. It has a big bell sleeve and has a tie to wrap around. So I can't wait. I want to try this on. I don't know, maybe with some jeans. I'm not sure yet. I haven't out. What is this? Oh yes. All right, so this is like my last haul I did. I don't know. I had a black sweater like this, but this one is actually cropped. I don't remember if I wanted it cropped or not. And then it has like the shredded sleeves as well. I don't know. We'll try it on and see how we like it or don't like it and figure it out from there. But yeah, this one is definitely a cropped shirt. And I will make sure to put all of the items that I purchased down below in the description box. I'll put them in order of the way I pull them out of the bags and box. I've been waiting for this. So if you are on Instagram, anywhere on social media, and you follow fashion pages, style, you have seen this all over the place. These like ribbed tanks over like white button down shirts or just a button down shirt, something big and flowy underneath. I don't know how to explain it, but I can't wait to style this. This is so cute. I might have gotten it a little too big, but I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. Once the try on part comes about. I think I know what this is. Yep, I ordered a skirt. This is the skirt. Over the summer, I had ordered a skirt and it was way too tight, so I had to send it back. So this is a nice suede material skirt. It has buttons that go the whole way down. I hope it fit me good. We shall see. We're gonna see. Oh, this is a jacket I ordered. Oh, it's nice. It's really nice. So, what size did I get this? I got this in a 1X. Oh, I forgot to say the sizes for the other items, so I'll put it in the description box next to where I listed it. Oh, if you guys couldn't tell already, today's November 3rd, okay? It's election day, and your girl went and voted nice and early in the morning. And I'm keeping my sticker on all day, okay? Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see this. It's cute. I thought it would be a little more stretchy, to be honest, but it's nice. It's a little stiff. Just nice. All right. You guys will see that later on. Yeah. You guys will see this later on when I freaking try it on with something else. Clothing, are you? Oh, something fell out. Something went going. Oh, this is another one of those shirts I was telling you about. So like the vest, but this is a sleeveless with a mock neck kind of. But it's, see, this is a little more form-fitting than that first one I pulled out. So we shall see how it looks. I had stopped recording and then I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So some of the items are already out the bag. So here we go with take 2. All right, so this shirt right here. This is kind of like the other shirts I was saying, the style that is like over a white button-down shirt. But this one is more like a bandeau top. The sleeves look a little big, but we'll see how it fits when I try it on. And then the bottom, it's not a peplum, but it's like, you know, it's a little bit wider at the bottom. So I do like that. So it's not going to be as form-fitting. We shall see how that looks when I try it on though. I really like it. It's cute. This one, I went on a rant about this one. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should. I don't know. So I got these faux leather leggings. They look like a trash bag. Now, my downfall from just looking at it that I'm not feeling is the fact that they're like wide. I don't want leggings, especially like faux leather leggings, to be super wide at the bottom. And these have more like a boot cut. They don't seem like they're gonna be fitted, but I'm gonna give them a chance. I'm gonna try them on and see how they fit me. If not, then they're gonna go back because I'm not keeping something that I don't like the way it fits me. It's not happening, not over here. And then I pulled this bad boy out. So this is another like vest tank top thing that I was talking about. I got a lot of them, I know. But they've been like so cute on everybody. I just like the way everyone's styling it. If you've been on social media, if you're anything into fashion style, you have seen a look like this. Now, I'm not too fond of like tanks over shirts or like the dress tanks over shirts, but I want to try it out. No, we'll see. It looks really cute like this. I got to figure out exactly how I'm going to style this particular piece. But we'll see. We'll get there. No, I think this is the last piece of clothing. These are some snake print leggings. I can see right through them. Sheesh. I don't know. We'll see how they work. Well, I was planning on wearing these with like a longer shirt or sweater anyways. But you see how these come in a little more at the bottom? Those faux leather ones did not. So, again, we're going to see how they work out. I like the material of this. It's really like that soft, slinky material though. I don't know. We're going to figure all this out when I try it on. But let's get into these accessories. So I got me a mask. I had to get myself a cute little mask. We'll be wearing these for a while. We have been wearing them for a while. But look at this. Oh, I like. It's very colorful. It's not going into my mouth, which I like. And it has like the adjustable thing here. Oh, it's covering my eye. So I would have to adjust this part, obviously, but look at how cute. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh, that's cute. I need somewhere fancy to wear this to. 4 masks, I think, in here. 4 masks, and they actually came with like color coordinated hair ties. So these are like satin material masks. But it's 4 of them in here. This color is, let me tighten them up. Oh, see, they have the adjustable thing too. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What you guys think? This one, yeah, this one goes into my mouth, so it's a little, maybe I can make it a little bit looser. But this is cute, and it came with the color coordinating hair tie. Let's see. Well, that's cute. So, let me take this off. Yeah, I don't like it. That one kind of goes into my mouth. So it came with, they're all like nude colors. So, yeah. And then all the color hair ties are in the back as well. I like this. I like this set. And it was pretty cheap too. I feel like it might have been like less than 5. Somewhere down there once I put like a coupon code in. So that was a good pick. Alright. I pulled this purse out earlier, so let's do this one first. Y'all know I love me some bags. Well, this is a cute little something. This, I remember, was $5. It's cute. It is a crossbody, so the tie should be... Yep, the tie is in there. Wait. Oh, it has these little... So it's not like a one that hooks on. You actually have to put it in and I guess tie like... Could tie a knot on the inside or the outside. But I like it. It's a cute little... It's a little flimsy, so I need to like fill it up to get it to be a nice fluff. But I do like it for $5. This is cute. Now, this bad boy. I've been waiting for this one. So, if you follow me, you know I love these bags. I got a similar bag to this last time in my last Shein haul. Sorry about that. I meant Primark haul. It was black and gold, and it doesn't have a print on it, so it's just a plain black. But I like this. So it's like it goes in 3 pieces. So this will go connected here in the front, and then it has the strap. Oh, it came with 2 straps. I wonder what this goes to. Oh, that might go to the bag. It comes with a strap. It's black and white, and then the little pouch. That's cute. All right, so I'll show you guys how it looks when it's like all put together, because it comes in separate pieces. But yeah, here's another white bag. I don't have that many white bags, but I think after this I'm not gonna buy a white bag for a while. So it comes in the plastic and then in this cloth-like pouch. This is so cute and tiny. Hold on. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it. I like it. It's so cute. It's so little. It did look little in the pictures as well, but it has like a little tiny pouch in there, and then it's perfect little size. I could hold it like this, which I won't. But yeah, and then I have like the crossbody strap. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear these. Some random stuff. I got sunglasses. All right, so long story short, again, I know I don't need that many sunglasses, but I had a very similar pair. I had a pair of sunglasses I bought from Shein over the summer, and I lost that pair, but I really like them. So I was about to order the same pair. It comes in plastic, and then more plastic. But then I noticed it was the same pair, but with like different tint, like a different color on the actual lenses. So I just decided to get it, and just a different color. It has like a orangey kind of tint to it. I like. So So yeah, now I have this makes up for the ones that I lost. Okay, I am coming down to my last couple pieces. So as far as like the organization stuff, I got this. It's not this. Is to hang stuff on. It's not in one piece right now, so I'm not gonna try to put it together. But basically, it's this bar. It'll have the two hooks here. You can hang in your closet, and then I can hang hangers from each of these little circles, and then I could always like bring it down, and then they'll all be like racked up one on top of the other, or I could leave it hanging this way. So I will definitely insert a picture of this and have it listed down in the description box, because I have no idea what it's called, but I know it's going to help me organize my closet. That's what I know. And then I actually got two of this same piece. SH storage. I don't know. I guess Shein storage is what it stands for. But what this is, it's actually for my purses. And I've been looking for something like this for a while. So something that I can hang in my closet, but something that I can put my purse straps on it, so that, because I have them like hanging on hooks, but when you have a really thin hook, like it bends the strap of your purse. So I'm going to show you an example just so you can see. So that way the strap isn't being bent, it's curved with the strap of the purse. So when I take the purse off, it's not going to have like that indent, that line in there like it would from hanging on a hook. So I got me two of these. So I figured I can hang like a couple of, maybe like 2 or 3 on each side. And yeah, I got 2. They were like really decently priced. So we'll see how they work. I hope, you know, I'll check them out, see how much they support my purses. And if it's worth buying more, then I'll get some more later on. The idea and concept of this item is really, really good, but the quality of it isn't. So I need to find a piece similar to this that has better quality, because as you can tell, the plastic is bending and it's not going to last up there much longer. And these purses, mind you, are empty. They are not, there's nothing in them at all, but yeah, the plastic is bending. So this is not a good item. So that is the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know, I feel like I got nice stuff, but I don't feel like as excited as I did before. I don't know why. But good news is I can start wearing my fall stuff, because it's been warm and I haven't been able to wear it yet. So some of this I'll definitely be able to start wearing ASAP. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, please make sure you go like, comment, subscribe, all that. Show me some love. Check me out on Instagram if you haven't yet. I have my name, my Instagram in the description box. I'm trying to think what else can I say. If you didn't yet, it'll be too late by the time this video is up, but go vote. It's important. I did this morning. Yeah, so stay tuned for another video.